When you look at this gigantic mass of ice, it's hard to get like a personal relationship to it. Listening its inner sounds, it's almost like auscultating a body. Every time I drop the microphones in its melting waters or against this ice, I feel this bodily connection. You can zoom in your mind to that particular air bubble that is clicking in a very rhythmical way, and then you focus on the deep drone that you almost forgot about. You can really take a journey in your attention. There's also the sadness because you know that all these sounds are disappearing right now. Of course, melting is something natural for glaciers, but the problem is that nothing new is coming back. The zone where it has just recently melted is really like a desert.